Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use max pain in options. Max pain is a fascinating concept in options trading, representing the strike price where the largest number of options contracts, both calls and puts, will expire worthless. It's essentially the point of maximum financial loss for options writers, or sellers. Understanding this can offer insights into where the underlying asset's price might gravitate as expiration approaches, potentially influencing your trading decisions. We'll delve into its calculation and interpretation. Calculating max pain involves a systematic approach. First, you sum the open interest for both call and put options at each individual strike price. Then, for each strike, you calculate the total value of options that would expire worthless if the underlying asset settled at that specific price. The strike price that yields the highest total value of worthless options is identified as the max pain point. This aggregation helps visualize the collective exposure of option sellers. Interpreting max pain data can provide a unique perspective. The theory suggests that as an option's expiration date draws near, the underlying asset's price tends to gravitate towards the max pain strike. This is because options writers, often large institutions, may try to influence the price to minimize their losses. However, it's crucial to remember that max pain is a theoretical indicator, not a guaranteed predictor. Always use it in conjunction with other robust analytical tools for a comprehensive market view. For practical application, continuously monitor changes in max pain, as new option activity can shift this point. It's most relevant for short-term options, typically weekly or monthly expirations, where the influence of options writers is more pronounced. Be aware that while powerful, max pain is just one piece of the puzzle. Large institutional players can significantly influence it, making it less reliable in thinly traded markets. Combine it with fundamental and technical analysis for well-rounded trading decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.